If you keep typing one vague sentence into AI and getting weak answers back, this Claude Project setup turns the vague goal into a stronger prompt that you can paste into a new chat and get the real plan. What you will need is Claude installed on your desktop. You can straight away go to Google, write Claude and install it, and you can go to projects and create new project. And most people do not get bad AI answers because they have bad goals. They get bad answers because they ask with weak structure. So I built this one Claude project, and I've got the instructions from Anthropic by themselves. I'm gonna attach the post on X that you can check it. It's a 24-minute video that they are explaining exactly how to prompt Claude. So now I'm gonna use their framework, and we're gonna make a project that will help you to generate perfect prompts in order to achieve your goals and get your plans done. So now in Claude, we're gonna go to projects, create a new project, and we will say prompt engineer, and we will create the project. Then here on the right side, you can see the instructions. Here we have to put the instructions. So I will put the prompt here. You can get it from the community straight away down below, or you can just post and read it. I'm pasting the prompt. So now I'm gonna go slow, and you can stop the video if you want to copy it, or just get it from the link below. This is the full prompt. We are saving the instructions. And now this project has become our prompt engineer. Now this system forces Claude to clarify the goal first with us. So it's going to ask us questions, align before solving, and only then generate a stronger final prompt that we can use in a new chat in order to get our plan. Now we have installed this prompt engineer to our system. So I'm not going to give Claude now some polished prompt. I want to see if this system can improve something really messy or something really short. And what we will say is, I want to get healthier and fix my life. And let's go, and we will use Sonnet. So let's see how exactly it's going to proceed with us. And now, as you can see, we have the clarity bar here also. And it's going to ask us questions. Which area feels more urgent? Physical health, mental, life structure, all of the above. Let's say physical health. We're going to say, I have some habits, but not a proper plan. I'm just going to choose some random things. And you can see we have started with just one sentence. And you can see the clarity is going up. What's your primary physical goal? Reduce body fat. I'm going to say, I want to see my six-pack once in my life. Have any constraints? Limited time. Home only. And that's it. Now, what's your age range? I'm going to tell my age. What's your target timeline? Let's see the quickest one. 3 months. Because we love things to go quick. This is good. And now phase 2 is the alignment. Here's what captured. It's going to show you exactly what it is. It's going to assume assumptions I'm making. You can commit roughly 30 to 45 minutes, both workout plan and nutrition component. You want something sustainable, not a crash approach. And we will say, yes, this is the thing that we want. And while it is generating our prompt, let me show you exactly which structure we are following. This is the structure that it will follow in order to generate our prompt. It's going to generate the task, tone, context, background data and documents, detailed task description. This framework has given in the post that I'm going to attach the link down below so you can check it. And this is a 25-minute video from Claude that they are explaining in depth this. So I have turned it to a tool that we can install in our Claude so you can use it in your daily life, in your business, and everywhere. You can see our task context. Straight away it says that you are an expert fitness coach and etc. It's given the tone, given the background data, detailed task description, and etc. So what we can do now, just copy this prompt, and then we can go and start a new chat without any project or anything. You can paste this, and if you want to get a really good result, we can use now, just for this prompt, Opus. Entry. Let's paste it, and let's see now what kind of a result we're gonna get. And you will see how detailed it can be now. Because it has asked us all of the questions and everything, it can say that fat loss is 80% nutrition, 20% training. It calculates the visible apps for men where it's gonna be. Consistency beats intensity, so a B+ plan you actually follow, not A+, so it's not gonna give us some hard plan. 3-month weekly routine, 5 days training and etc. Equipment needed, yoga mat. We have our full body burn, bicycle crunches, all of the things that we can do at home. Thursday, some heat here, everything looks easy. Here we're gonna crank the intensity, loaded backpack and etc. month 3. And now we have a nutrition blueprint. Your targets, you'll need a rough estimate of your body weight for a 70 kilogram person. Calories, eat in moderate deficit, roughly 300 to 500 calories below maintenance. So it can straight away calculate it. If you want, we can straight away tell I am 86 kilograms and this much tall. So it can just adjust this to us. That, as you can see, it is a really detailed program. Foods to prioritize, quick meal ideas. These are breakfast, lunch and dinner. If we follow these, daily non-negotiables, it's showing everything. Top mistakes to avoid. You can see how detailed it is, what to expect. And then day 1 checklist that we can follow. And that's it. This is the result of the first prompt. So let's go to our project again. And we're gonna start a new chat. And as you can see that this result was a much better than original one, that the original result that it would be. Let's test another prompt now. We're gonna go again with some vague thing. We'll say, I want to start making money online with AI, but I don't know where to start. And we will use Sonnet again. And now it's gonna ask us some questions to clarify everything. Because Claude is not guessing now, you can see that the clarity has to go up to 100%. So it is building much stronger request for the next chat. Complete beginner, no tech skills. Let's say complete beginner. What matters? Make first 100 to 500 as fast as possible. How many hours per week can you realistically put into this? Because I am working a normal job, I'm gonna say 5 to 10 hours because it comes 2 hours per day, 5 days a week, for example. This is realistic. And also, if you want to learn how to make money and have assignments and you want me to review your assignments to land your first client and make some extra money with AI, you can join my community down below in the premium section of the community. You can get a full course how to make your first extra money with AI while working a normal job. So let's continue with that now. Do you have any of these to work with? A laptop, desktop? Yes. Smartphone? Yes. Small budget, $20 to $100. We'll say no. A laptop and desktop, that's it. Do you have any natural strengths, even outside tech, right? Storytelling, design, talking to people, organization, or admin? None obvious yet, we're gonna say. So we don't want to push it in some way. No money to invest, free tools only, everything. Yes, we're gonna say yes. Now let's see the complete prompt. You can see how detailed it gives all of the output format, structure, and everything. So let's now copy the prompt and go and open a new chat, hit the Opus and paste it. And let's see now what is gonna produce us. No tech skills, no budget. AI assisted freelancer services on Fiverr or Upwork, specifically simple writing or admin style services, where AI does 80% of heavy lifting. Here's why this is the best fit. Have no audience, no skill, no people know about, no budget. That rules out anything that needs audience first, Etsy, YouTube, social brands, and etc. It rules out anything that needs upfront investment. What you do have is laptop and free access to ChatGPT, which can now write, summarize, edit, translate, structure information at a level that easily clears the bar of paid Fiverr gigs from £15 to £75 range. Beginner friendly services. Pick one, don't try all of them. So blog post, proofwriting, CV, LinkedIn profile rewrites, product description. This is really big, product description, because there are shops that have maybe thousands of products and the people are focusing more on selling, so they will need person or AI for this. Free tools you will need, everything is listed here. Week by week action, pick one service, decide today, CV rewrites and etc. Don't overthink it. This is really good that it says the things that I would say as well. You have to pick one thing, do not overthink it, and start taking action, because with action and with process, you're gonna learn exactly what you need to do after that. Create your Fiverr account, research top sellers, what they do exactly, copy the notes and how they word their gig, what they offer and what their thumbnail looks like, so you can maybe copy and slightly differentiate from them. You can use Canva, get first sale, stack reviews and raise prices. This is exactly the thing that we are doing in real life as well. When you try to first land a client, you are offering either a free service for exchange for a testimonial. After that, when you have a couple of testimonials and experience, you can now prove that your thing that you are doing works, so you can charge for it. And week 4, common mistakes to avoid. You can see even it gave us the scripts and templates. Fiverr gig, need a professional, and that we can use it. Upwork pitch template. But in Upwork, it's not free because you have to use the credits there. And free sample outreach message for LinkedIn and Instagram. You can use it. You can see how detailed and exact these prompts are. And after that, you can continue just with these chats. Let's go one more test. So we can go to projects again. Now you have your prompt engineer, so you can do whatever you want here. Sonnet. Let's test now something visual that we can create. I want to have a landing page where I'm gonna offer my community to people who want to learn AI and how to make extra money with AI while working a normal job. I'm gonna say this so we can see what kind of questions it's gonna ask us in order to create the landing page, and if the landing page is gonna be good or it will be something basic. What stage are you right now? Just an idea. I have community but no landing page. I have a draft landing page but it's not converting. Have some members and want to go faster. So let's say this. I have members want to go faster. What's main action visitors take? Join the free community, we're gonna say. Who is your ideal member? Anyone curious about AI and money? Do you have a community brand? Yes. Existing content? Yes. Everything we have. What's your name and tagline? I'm gonna write my name and Murray AI Academy. The platform is cool. Yes. Anyone curious about AI makes extra money while keeping? Yes. Let's see now the final prompt. Because usually when you're creating a landing page or something with this type of prompts, it is creating some AI slope. Usually after that, you have to fix it. You have to make it look good and better and etc. We didn't give it some brand guidelines and anything, but I just want to try and see what exactly it's gonna do now. So what we're gonna have is, it's not gonna create the website. Let's go new chat. We'll use Opus and let's run it. Hero section. You don't need a tech background to make money with AI. Just need right people around you. It is really good that because the body copy, it straight away says what it is for and directly addresses the concerns that people can have. You've tried YouTube tutorials, you're not techie, you want real community, what you will get, what makes it different, social proof section, about Gunai, final CTA, bonus section, alternative join buttons, headlines. The free community AI is just for tech people anymore. Learn AI on the site, keep your job. This is really good. So let's give my link to it and say, can you straight away create the web page? This is my community link. Can you straight away fill up all of the gaps without asking me anything and create the page so I can see it, please? And let's see what kind of a page it's gonna create. So you can see that it is not only for businesses. It can take a vague goal in a normal life too, and it can turn it into something much more useful. So the real value is not that Claude asks better questions here. The real value is that it gives you a stronger prompt that you can paste into a fresh chat to get a fuller plan. And if you paste the same prompt, for example, in a project that it has your details, it's going to be even more stronger. This is why when you create your prompt, you're opening a new chat, paste the final improved prompt from the project, and it will show you the stronger response that you're going to get. And for beginner, that matters because you don't need to become a prompt engineer. You need a repeatable system that helps you turn vague goals into clearer instructions so AI gives you better life, better work, business plans, and everything that you will need in order to grow. And while we are waiting this web page to be created, if you want the exact Claude Project template and the 3 test goals that we have used, it's inside the Muro AI Academy. You can go to the community from the link below. Straight away, search for the name of this video and you will find it there. Let's see the page. Your AI Academy for people with normal jobs. You don't need to quit your job, make money with AI. It's really good. You want to join. If we click it, it's going to go to the Academy. This is really good. Let me download it and I'm going to open it in a full screen. This is on full screen. It looks perfect. This sign here, 100% free to join. Keep your job, no code leading. Here, usually on the other website, there are brands here that they are work with. This goes really good. Let me see on mobile how it's gonna look. On mobile it's good as well, really good. Nothing is overflowing. This member, this praise for social proof is perfect. My photo is small and it's gonna take us to the community. This is perfect. So now you know exactly how you can use Claude, and you can use this in Codex as well, in Kimi, in the other LLM models. It doesn't matter. You can just create a project or create a chat that it is specifically to ask you questions, clarify your outcomes and goals, and after that to create your prompt that you can use in order to generate your plan, your system, your strategy, and to use it to achieve your goal. This is gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you liked it, and if you find it helpful, please like and subscribe this video, and see you in the next one. Thank you.